Good evening to everyone. Here is Ranjit Sharma before you. I am pursuing class 11 from Gita Gyan Sanskar Academy. First and foremost, I am very grateful to my respected tutor, Mr. Adnan sir, who gave me this golden opportunity to express my views on this fantastic topic. And today's topic is, if I were a Prime Minister, what would I do? I was waiting for this topic from a long time, and finally I am here to express my views on this topic. First and foremost, my first job would be to select good candidate or good minister for my cabinet. And I would also ensure that the person who are technically strong could find a position in my cabinet. Let us take a look on the major issues. So, the most profound topic is women's safety. This is a major issue in our country. So, I would remove all the facilities which have been given by the government of our country. I am definitely sure that you are thinking why I am thinking this. So, let me tell you, there are so many steps which have been taken by the government of our country in the favor of female safety, like Nari Shakti Abhiyan, Nirbhaya Fund, Women Safety Division, and also so many helpline numbers for women's safety. And the most popular and known quote is that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Can you tell me from where this quote has come? And I know that you are thinking from the government of our country. But why they gave this quote? Have you any answer? I think no, you don't have any answer of this question. So I tell you that they think that the girls of our country are not strong. They cannot save themselves, or they are weak. And in order to this, the female also forgot their power. They only depend on the facilities which have been given by the government of our country. I usually say to my parents that you are creating discrimination between me and my brother. But actually, this is not the fault of my parents or our parents. This is only the fault of the females, because they thought that they think that they are weak in comparison to boys or males. But this is not true. The girls are the most powerful in our country. So for instance, on a road and another boy using abuse words to him or beat him. So what will another boy do? Does he come back silently, or he will reply to the boy? The answer of this question you all know very well, that obviously he will beat him and also give extra to him. But if a girl were in the shoes of the boy and another boy pass remarks or say something bad to the girl, so what does a girl do? Tell me, do you have any answer? What does a girl do? See, or the girl doesn't do anything. She go back to her home silently, because they think that they are weak. This is the mentality of females as well as males. But if females are self-confident and self-dependent, they are not dependent on the facilities which have been given by the government. So what will they do? In same condition, obviously they will not leave the counters and give extra to him. So this is the main reason that I would remove all the facilities which have been given by the government. Instead of this, a single power, even a single girl should realize that the God gave her special powers. So this is my first point, that what I do if I were a Prime Minister. Instead of this, I would stop to provide free ration or food to the people and animals, because this would make them lax, which is not good for our country, and it increase unemployment in our country. Instead of this, I would give job to them. Ration is not the solution of this major problem, because if free ration is distributing in all over the country to poor, so the people think that we can survive without doing any job, and this increase unemployment in our country. So what happens with those who have disabilities, like who have not hands or who have no legs? What happens with those?
I would give them job. There are so many factories and industries in India who need workers. So in this way, the poor have not any disabilities or the handicapped people also get shelter. So in simple words, earn and take. This is an old saying. So in this way, the unemployment and beggars will decrease from our country. In addition to this, let us move to our third point. If I were a PM, in my period, education is mandatory for every person in our country till graduation. Because education is the need of today's people. Uneducated people are like animals. This is an old saying by the people. Educated people know what is good or what is bad for them. And in my ruling period, there would be a prohibition for child labor because child are the futures of our country. Let us move to the another point, and that is Indian Army. Army is the most important for safety of our country. And Air Force and Navy are also very important, but in my opinion, I give most importance to the Army. Because in any war, the Army is must. Like war of Kargil, war of Bhuj, war of Uri, etc. In all, Army plays a vital role. So in this way, I would motivate the people of our country to take part in defense. So another point is that I would try to make the country free of dowry. Dowry is the major issue of our society. At the time of marriage of a girl, family members try to give her gift for their daughters. But nowadays, the family of bride and the family of groom. The family of groom demands a lot from the family of bride, which is not good. And if the family of bride do not fulfill their needs or demands of the groom side, then the wedding is dropped in between. And due to this, the girl or the bride society, which is not good. This is the main devil of our country. So if I were a prime minister in my ruling period, I would ban this dowry. If we want to give any gift from the bride side, so we can, but not fulfill the demands of groom side, which is not good. Furthermore, I would try to provide goods road in rural areas because roads are the important way to connect to cities, to villages, to states, etc. So this is also a part of my period. And I would try to make a country on a great height. I would reduce discrimination from our country, and I would also ensure that in mind of the people that we the Indian not give their main focus on the caste. All the castes are Indians. I would also provide good quality goods or products to the people, and also the ministry of my cabinet would give their high concentration on the development of our country or in the backward parts of our country. So, and I would try to give my best, and I would reach my country on a great height in the world and in all matters. Like if I talk about the increasing population, so in population is increasing day by day. So we would discuss to our minister to give best schemes to control the population, like two-child policy and etc. And I would also ensure that my country would be fully democratic. All the people have equal rights on the basis of democracy. I hope you all are agree from my views, and all my ideas. I would try to give my best